Seems I'm in the mood for making videos. So, where did we leave off? We had this thing, 3D printing, and of course all those button cap holes are a little bit too small. So, made a cam job. This is UC CNC. I've got this open, haven't I? So here it is in Fusion. And it's a 1.5mm bit end mill diamond type thing. See if we can see it. There it is. And in theory this is going to go around and tidy up all those holes and make them all the right size. So I'm going to come over here. This is going to make some noise. Over here I moved my eyes, I didn't move the camera. Okay, so we're going to hit cycle start and there'll be some noise and some mayhem, and if we're lucky, here we go. Hopefully that plastic isn't actually melting onto the bit. Actually what we're seeing there is just powder. Running at 10,000 RPM, it's the slowest this particular Press 800 router will go. The idea being that the slower the RPM, the less heat you generally generate. So, what have we got? Well, it looks a bit messy, but should be closer than we were. I wonder if we should chamfer this as well. Yeah, I'll do a chamfer. We'll be back in a sec. Incidentally, this is the previous version, and this is what it does. You see, you can move around and stuff and change the speed of that, and all the way down to there and slower. I can put it in single step mode, 1mm at a time, back to continuous, up to full speed, back to low speed, somewhere in between, and so forth. So that's what that's all about. Okay, I really should get a tripod if I'm going to keep doing this, as I said before. So, if I've done everything right, we now have a chamfering toolpath with a 6mm by, where is it? 45 degree chamfer. Oh, is it 90 degree? 90 degree, is it? Well, certainly not 45. Yeah, 90 degree chamfer bit. And let's see if I got the toolpath right. Here we go. Emergency stop button here. Oh, I think that's looking pretty good. So yeah, well, this machine, by the way, is a Stepcraft 600 version 2. There you go. I think it worked. Now I can put the whole thing together, hopefully. I got to do some sanding first, and yes, there you go, the voice behind the magic. And there it is. I have to say it went together so well this time. When I've tidied up, cleaned up those holes with a model knife, such as this in the past, rather than using the CNC machine, which ironically seemed like it would be too difficult to get things lined up, but it wasn't difficult at all. So I had done it by hand because I thought it was just going to be too darn difficult on the CNC, but the CNC just, well, you saw it, did a lovely job, and all the buttons, They just fit straight in, all nice and just like on the design of the CAD, and on the CAD basically, which is pretty cool. So loving it. Okay, that's it for this one.